Hi guys, welcome to my channel, my world. I hope you guys are doing great. This video is my monthly favorites for the month of March, which I know it's late, but March has been a very chaotic month for me. We had marriage at home, then then we had the sudden New York trip planned, and yeah, because of which I couldn't shoot the video, and I also didn't got I didn't got an opportunity, to be very honest, to try many of stuff, in terms of makeup. This month I have not wore makeup that much, plus other, I also haven't created any of the DIYs for this month, which is sad, I know, but I have few of my favorites. I really wanted to share my favorites with you guys, so let's just get started then. So guys, my first favorite product is from the jewelry. This is the first product which I wanted to show. Okay, so I got this jewelry from Amazon, and this costed me around somewhere around 550. And this jewelry, I really love this jewelry. This this style, the pearls detailing over here. Let me just show you closely. So yeah, I really love the detailing, I love the design, and I got a Mangtika as well, and the neck set. So the neck set I've already given to my mom because I'll not be able to carry that heavy neck set. But yes, Mangtika and this just make a classy piece, which I really love, and they are very lightweight. So that's the best part, which I really like it. And even I wore it with a top. It's not looking that heavy. It's looking very nice. So you can wear it for your heavy function, or for your marriage function, or anything in the daytime also. This will not look crazy. So I really love this jewelry. I think I am just looking for every single opportunity to wear this jewelry again and again. So that's one. And second is this neck piece over here. I hope you can see that. So I really love this neck piece. I've already worn one of, I think, one of my videos that you guys will see, and I really love this pom-pom over here, which is actually creating a very colorful effect to the entire jewelry. I really love oxidized jewelry, which I've already said in my videos also. And so this jewelry is very simple, plain one. It will look good for your with ethnic. I have tried it with sari, and it will look good with the ethnics, as well as the modern dresses. So I've already tried it with sari. It looks amazing. So it's, again, I have bought it from Amazon. I'll try to put the link for both the jewelry, so in case you guys wanted to buy, you can probably buy it. It was somewhere around 300, within the 500 range. So again, not bad, and I really love this jewelry. Guys, those were my jewelry favorites. So guys, those were my jewelry favorites. So let's talk about makeup. So makeup, what we have. So for makeup, I don't have many stuff to talk about in this month, but I don't know. So I've already told that these two lipsticks were my favorite in the month of, I don't remember, last year. One is Sugar, color. This is from Chambord. It's a very damn amazing lipstick. Let me show you. Can you see the color? It's such a pretty pink nude color. It's already been my favorite, but now the reason why it's again becoming my favorite, because I'm mixing these two colors. This is the peach one. This has also been my favorite. Again, I'm mixing both the colors, and this just create wonder. You can apply both the lipstick separately as well, but mixing these two color will just make your lips moisturizing. So I'll tell you what. So Chambord one is more on the little on the drier side, which is not bad, not very drying, but little bit of dryness is there. But with Faces, it's not drying, very nice, very smooth lipstick. Just make your lips soft, and just give you the proper appropriate matte effect. But when you apply both the lipstick, it just creates wonders. So in case if you guys want to give it a try, do give it a try. But yeah, definitely you can apply separately, but I don't know, it creates some magic. So maybe I don't know. So in case of my if you have watched my vlog videos, I've already applied this lipstick. I was applying every single day on my New York visit. So I really love both the lipsticks. I have a very special feeling for both the lipsticks. So yeah, these were the two lipsticks which I really love. Can you see how pretty this color is? Chambord just create amazing lipstick. I haven't tried more lipstick. I will only have two lipstick from them. I need to try, but I don't know, for lipstick I just feel that let me just finish the stock what I have right now. Yes, that's pretty much on the news version. But yeah, the next lipstick is on my lips right now. It's very beautiful color, very you know, right amount of brightness, very nice color to apply in this season. And this is from NYX, and this is in Morocco, right? And yes, this is how the lipstick looks like. And let me just quickly show you the swatch. I don't know, this has also been my favorite. Guys, can you believe, let me just close. Yeah, so can you believe my phone just stopped working? And yeah, I was just telling that this Morocco lipstick right over here, I hope my other phone is doing justice. I know it's the lightings are not really good, then apologies. Less. So this one, these two were basically three were my favorite lipstick for the month of March. Then that's pretty much what I have in the makeup. Then in terms of bags and shoe, I wanted to show you shoe. Just give me one moment. I really love these shoes. I think you have already seen in my vlogs. These are shoes from Steve Madden, and I have got a gift from my friends. I am really thankful to these guys. I was planning to buy Adidas Superstar, but then and then unfortunately I got these shoes. They are amazing, very comfortable. I'm not saying it's for international trips or not for your day-to-day use, but definitely it's for everything. Do give it a try for maybe for dress, maybe for jeans. I was just doing the same thing. One time I was wearing with dress and jeans as well. So these kind of shoes just look perfect whether you're wearing a one piece or you're wearing a jeans. They look amazing. So and plus they're super comfy. You don't feel any pain in your feet, nothing like that. So I really love these shoes. And guys, the last but not the least, I have this product, what I am up to. This bag, I really love this bag. Guys, this is super cool bag. I was looking for a backpack. Unfortunately, I don't have any backpacks at the moment with me. I actually don't have it. I haven't bought any backpacks. I was having this plan that I'll probably buy a good leather one, which unfortunately I'm not getting. I mean, whatever options I'm looking at, I'm not finding the good one. So I thought let me go with this one. And plus this stuff have a good memories I have. So we were in Kalimpong in Sikkim, and these kind of stuff you will find it especially in the hill stations. So yeah, so I thought let me buy this bag, and I bought it in the month of Feb and yes, I bought it from Pantaloon. It's somewhere around 800, which is damn cheap. And the best part is, first of all, it's a backpack. When you are traveling, it's very comfortable. Plus, you have to zip over here. Over here, you can put your passport. Over here, you can put your charger. Your headphones and everything. Plus, you have to give it a good tie it, and just you have a magnetic button over here, and ta-da! You're all set. So I really love this bag. I think every single day I was using this bag only in my New York trip. And yeah, so that comes to an end of our video, and these were the only products which I enjoyed in the month of March. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button, otherwise you'll not get notified of the videos which I'm uploading. I'll see you soon in my upcoming videos. Do take care of yourself. Bye.